Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos daily, and for the rest of the year, I'm making 3 videos a day. So there's a good chance there's videos you haven't seen today, yesterday, and why don't you just binge watch one of your favorite playlists today as well and level up on your financial literacy. All right, y'all, in this video, we are going to talk about corporate America Federal Credit Union. There's a ton of gems here for those rebuilding their credit and starting their credit journey. Now, if that applies to you, this video is going to be for you. If it doesn't, still watch it and share it with somebody that's repairing or building their credit today, because this could be one of the best credit unions for that. Also, if this is your first time viewing my channel, I want to give you a huge thank you for stopping by. I value your time. I value your trust. I try to keep my videos between 8 to 10 minutes long, give you all stuff and no fluff, and help you level up in financial literacy, give you different places that are doing high access credit funding so we can leverage debt and turn it into wealth together. When you win, I win. When I win, you win. So let's win together. Smash the like button, throw a comment in the comment section, and smash the subscribe button. And for all of you out there that are viewing my channel that are not part of the private Facebook group or the Instagram channel, you guys need to join that. Links are in the description below. The private Facebook group, you can ask your question to the community. We have thousands of people in that already and are willing to help you out. There's no spamming, there's no payment, it's completely free, completely anonymous. It's amazing. You guys need to be a part of it. And then my private Instagram, you guys can actually send me DMs about your credit questions. I'll get them answered for you. We're gonna be doing giveaways and all of that. So you all want to be on both of those platforms as well. Links are in the description. All right, y'all, let's get into this video. Knock this video out. I'm gonna go over some of these credit products with you. I'm gonna tell you how I would leverage them, some of the data points that you need to know about this credit union before you get into it. And then if you guys want me to take a deeper dive on some of these products that they offer, I'll do that. I do want to say that Corporate America Federal Credit Union is not going to be for everybody. They're going to be really catered to people rebuilding or starting their credit journey just based on their credit products that they offer. Now, with that being said, it doesn't mean it's any less than any other credit union. It just plays its place perfectly in that situation. You're going to see what I mean by that in a minute. But as far as the requirements for CAFCU, it is open membership nationwide. You can literally join in Timbuktu, Alaska, just by going right there, joining online, joining through an association that's associated with the credit union at the time of membership. So you don't have to live in Virginia, you don't have to live in DC or Maryland. You can literally join this anywhere in the country by doing that. Now, there will be a hard pull for membership, and they will be pulling your TransUnion, and the hard pull is going to be good for 30 days, and you can double dip with it. Here's the thing though, here's the play, I would not apply for this credit union until you are ready to apply for credit products. Why waste an inquiry with TransUnion if you're not going to be applying for a credit product? So if you have a bunch of new accounts already, if you have a bunch of inquiries on TransUnion, I would probably garden. Watch my video on how to credit garden and how to get high access funding. I have videos all over the channel with that, but I would wait 6 months so that way there's a little bit of time in between that so you don't look desperate like you're applying for credit. Lenders hate that, especially with the times we're going through right now, and we don't know what's going to happen in the next 6 months. So those will be the requirements. They will check your check systems as well, so make sure your check systems is good. If it's not, watch my video on that, how to get out of check systems. And then if you don't know what check systems is, watch that video as well. What is check systems, okay? So I'm trying to build a channel full of financial literacy so we all can win together. This is free content, so take advantage of it. People charge for this stuff, seriously. So that's going to be CAFCU. They're going to offer a ton of different products, as you can see: credit cards, home loans, vehicle loans, all types of stuff. So let's just dive right on in. So what I love about the credit cards is there's going to be no balance transfer fees, no annual fees, and no minimum finance charges, which is great. They're going to have 3 cards, 2 of which will be unsecured, 1 will be secured. The secured line, and this is why I said it's great for building credit. You can literally manufacture a $10,000 bank-issued trade line. So I know some of you aren't big on secured credit cards, but it is going to be the quickest and fastest way to really build powerful profile out. If you have a $10,000 trade line reporting on your credit report, what do you think other lenders are going to do when you go for your second credit card? Oh, wow, they have one credit card on file and it's a $10,000 credit card. It doesn't say it's secured. It says it's a $10,000 credit line and you're going to be able to use it without killing your utilization. So my recommendation would be, I know everybody doesn't have $10,000 laying around, but if you do, or if it's in a savings account with another credit union, I would move that money into the CAFCU. I would put it in the savings account, say I would like to have a credit card based on this line of credit, and they will give you a secured credit card with a $10,000 limit on that you can then use for 6 months, responsibly make your on-time payments, and then apply for one of the unsecured cards. And when you do that, then you can cancel this card and get your $10,000 back, and now you have a card with a really good limit. In this situation, if you did the $10,000 route, I would skip this card and go right into the Platinum Advantage because you could possibly get a credit line up to $25,000 with good payment history. It's all about relationship banking, people. The more you do relationship banking, the more high credit funding you are going to get. And these are the ways that you get in. If you don't have good credit, earn your way. Get the secured card, show that you're responsible, then apply for the unsecured, and you're on your way to success. They don't have crazy credit limits, but it's going to be easy to get the cards. Obviously, this is their premier card, so once you're involved in this credit union, go get that card. They're going to have personal loans as well, okay? Up to $25,000, nothing crazy, but the APR is not too horrible. It's not great, but it's not absurd. Especially if you have bad credit, then the APR will be pretty reasonable depending on that. But up to $25,000 you can use for whatever you want. Once again, it's going to be easy to get this. With you banking and showing that you have provable income, then getting $25,000 with this credit union is not going to be hard at all. The next thing that they're going to offer is a line of credit. Now, what I really like about this is, I will tell you, it's going to be fast approval from $500 to $1,500 based on your credit score. Can be a great way to build your credit history. So this will be a revolving line of credit. So every single month, this will report almost like a credit card. This will be very easy for most of you all to get. I know it's not a ton of money. This is great for overdraft protection. But the nice thing about it is it does report to your credit bureaus, and it is in case you overdraft by accident, right? So it's super nice to get. It's very easy to get, and I really recommend it. The next thing will be the shared secured loans. What a shared secured loan is just like the secured credit card. You put up your money in a savings account. They lock that money, create a loan for you, and then you make those payments, and they report that to the credit bureaus. It's like a pledge loan from Navy Federal, right? So it's the same concept with all these credit unions. My play for this would be you pay 70 to 80 to 90% of it right away. Don't do a big loan, do a smaller loan, but pay 70 to 80 to 90% right away. So when it reports to the credit bureaus, it shows that it's almost paid off, and then you can stretch that to 1 to 2 to 3 years or whatever the term is on it. But that's how you really can leverage an installment line. You literally make one up overnight. So you literally can utilize your own money to manufacture trade lines on your credit report, which then help you get the unsecured lines of credit, the credit cards, the loans, the lines of credit, things like that, the mortgage, the car loan, the things that you really want to do for your family. But it takes time to do it right, and to do it right strategically, because what you don't know is what you don't know, and it's costing you. So that's just shared secure loan. I'm on fire tonight. I feel good. Private student loans, if you want to go back to school and be cool, you can do that. I never went to school, and I'm just fine. Disaster relief loans, most of them will have it. Loans up to $5,000. There's a loyalty discount if obviously you're a member of the credit union, but you got to fall into a FEMA declared part of the country. Okay, I'll be doing some of these disaster relief loans here soon. I know many different credit unions offer them, so I will be going over that with you. But that's a great way to get some quick cash if you are in like Louisiana, parts of Texas. I mean, wildfires in California. Get that money, use it for Christmas if you need to, or start a business. Then we just did the shared secure loans. We did the disaster loans. I wanted to go over the last thing, which are the vehicle loans, and then we're going to be out, okay? So they do new and used auto loans, and you can refinance your auto loan, and then they have a credit builder vehicle loan. So as you can see, the credit builder loan, The line of credit, which is super simple, up to $1,500, that helps you build or repair credit. The secured credit card, up to $10,000. And then the credit builder loan is going to be very low credit scores, less than a 600. You can get approved. Finance up to $30,000 with a 72-month term, 12 to 15% interest. It's better than subprime. Pretty decent if you have under a 600 score to be able to get a 12 to 15% interest rate over 72 months. Pretty good. Yeah, so like I said, I think that this credit union is pretty good overall. If you have bad credit or you're rebuilding your credit, I would go get this credit union immediately, especially since they're only pulling TransUnion. Most lenders are going to pull Equifax or Experian as far as the credit unions go. Also, we're kind of going long on this video, so make sure that you watch all of my credit builder playlists, how to build credit, how to repair your credit, things like that. Top credit unions, you name it. Like, comment, subscribe. Put a comment in. Do you like this credit union? What was the most interesting thing about it? Is there a credit union you want me to review? Do you have a credit question? Put it in the comment section below. I answer all questions within 24 hours, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Join the private Facebook group. Like, comment, and subscribe, and join me on Instagram at Radikal Marketer. Spell it with a K. Salute.